So what are we doing? We're going to look at this fire hydrant that was blasting out of control, but now it's flooded our street. Wait, hold on. Let's get you guys a view. See, it's all water there. Hold on. Oh, let's see this flooded street.
No, I don't think they'll let us.
It's our property.
Yeah, but it already going out.
Didn't try.
But that side did it. This side did.
Isn't that cool, James?
Well, we can play limbo after.
Whoa. James, wasn't that so cool?
Yeah.
Really cool. Did you get some video of it?
I'm filming a YouTube video right now. Oh. James, wasn't that epic? They flooded like the entire street down there, Mom. Is that all for today, James?
Yeah.
Gonna say bye to them?
Bye.